Hello everyone, this is Pavitra Kumar, founder of NPPD and this Vidya. So today's topic is interesting and it is on diabetes. Okay, so we'll be talking about the status of diabetes in India according to the survey, and I'll talk about very few basic home solutions which will be very much helpful if you or anyone in your family is indulging in this disease or chronic disease which is called diabetes. Okay, so let's talk about few lines on what is the statistics of India according to the survey. Okay, so 2021 December में एक survey हुआ था which concluded that around 74.2 million people are suffering from diabetes, and that is on the age range of 20 to 74. Okay, and this number is expected or predicted to increase to 70% during 2045. इसका नंबर हो जाएगा अराउंड 124.8 मिलियन पीपल इन 2045. तो ये जो 70% इंक्रीज का जो प्रेडिक्शन है, what do you guys think that why is it increasing? As we know that the diabetes is a very major chronic issue in India, not only in India, over the world, and we know that we have to cure it क्योंकि यहाँ से problem start होता है and it ends up into so many problems. Diabetes से problem start होता है and ends up in so many other problems like heart का issues होता है, obesity होता है, मोटापा होता है, and that is how the problem starts. If you are not able to check that, and that is how so many problems starts, and this is indirectly related. ठीक है, तो this is the thing which everyone knows. The doctors know, the medical community knows, people knows, and so many other patients, they already know about it. Then why do you think that the number is expected to increase day by day? Instead of we cutting down the number and expecting and getting expectations of lowering the number, why are we getting a higher number of diabetes patients, and why exactly? What is the gap exactly? Maybe in the system or of the people or of the patients? So क्या exactly the problem is in the practical scenarios? ठीक है, we'll be making another video on the detailed study and research of all these things. But ये जो video है, that is to make you aware that diabetes is a serious problem and so many people, so many families in India are facing this issue, and this is expected to go on a very steep rise. ठीक है, तो इसके लिए you need to be very much careful and very much cautious about it. ठीक है, तो these are some of the problems which I told about you. I'll tell you only 3 home remedies which you can.
Now we'll talk about the home remedies which is very helpful for you if you are diabetic or is there any person in your family who is diabetic. So it's a very 3-step solution and you can use it. The first thing is fenugreek seeds. So अगर आपको fenugreek के बारे में पता है, it's a very magical seed for diabetes, for lowering your blood sugar levels and maintaining it. उसको कैसे खाना है कि you have to take 2 teaspoons and soak it overnight, after which in the morning you can have that water. It is very much useful. आपने already सुना होगा इसके बारे में, अगर नहीं सुना है तो you can start it from today itself. The second thing is bitter gourd, और जिसको बोलते हैं करेला. That is also a very good vegetable that you can use. Maybe भाजी के साथ यूज़ कर सकते हो या फिर कोई भी सब्जी के साथ यूज़ कर सकते हो, and that is very also good for lowering down your sugar levels, and this is also a very crucial fruit or vegetable you can say to have. The third thing is vitamin C. Vitamin C के बहुत सारे fruits रहते हैं, जैसे कि orange हो गया, lemon हो गया, आंवला हो गया. इस तरह से there are many type of fruits or vegetables you can get, and that is also a good source of antioxidants which will rejuvenate your cells and your metabolism also will be increased, plus आपका blood sugar levels control में आ जाएगा. तो these are the very few and most appropriate vegetables or fruits which I told you. Other than that also there are many solutions, many types, and this is not only the food part is not only the one way to go for it. You can also go for some exercises, yoga, and there are many ways, and on a holistic manner you need to approach it. अगर आपको ज़्यादा जानना है इसके बारे में, then you can visit nppd.in, our website, and go for a free consultation, after which we will be telling you कि आपको हम लोग कैसे help कर सकते हैं. Thank you.